Okay, so now we talk about that data types in Earth Engine platform for GIS and remote sensing data types. So basically in the GIS, we already know about the two types of data. Okay, in the GIS. So one type, it's called the vector data. Vector data. Second, it's called that raster data. Raster data. So what is the vector data? It's called mainly point, line, or polygon. Okay, and what is the raster data? Data, it's called mainly pixel or grid. And every grid or every pixel have the value. Okay, pixel value or grid. So this is the main fundamentals of GIS, vector and raster. But in Google Earth Engine, these two types of data also have some subdivision. Suppose vector have subdivision, raster have subdivision. So in the GEE, we find out total 5 types of data for GIS. Okay. So first one, it's called the geometry. It's one kind of data in Google Earth Engine. Second, it's called feature. Third, it's called feature collection. Fourth, it's called image. And fifth, it's called image collection. Okay. So we find out total 5 types of data in GIS for Google Earth Engine. So what is the geometry? Geometry, it's mainly fundamental of vector data type. It's fundamental vector data type. What is the feature? So when I add the information in my geometry, it's called the feature. Suppose I have lat and long value. Okay, I have latitude and longitude value. But when I add the information for this latitude longitude, then it's called the feature or adding information. So when I adding the information about my geometry, okay, and geometry, it can be point, line, polygon. It can be point, it can be line or polygon. So when I add the information, mainly attribute, when I add, suppose I have a latitude longitude value, but I add suppose this latitude longitude for Dhaka. So then it called the feature. So what is the feature? Feature, when I add the information for point, line, and polygon. Okay, then it called the feature. What is the feature collection? It called the set of features. Set of features. Set of features. What is the set of features? Set of features including more than one feature. More than one feature. It's called the feature collection. So what is the image? Image, it's a fundamental raster data type. Data type. Okay. And what is the image collection? It's mainly time series of images or a stack of images, a group of images, time series of images. So these 5 types of data we can create in Google Earth Engine. Geometry, feature collection, image, and image collection. So now what is the geometry? Geometry, we all know about that. Suppose let me show you the practical example.